Yes, conventional RO systems as compared to CCD, we can have up to a 35% lower energy consumption, which is huge. One of the big operational costs for reverse osmosis is the energy. So if you can save 35% of the electrical costs, that can be huge on your operating dollars. One of the things that is abundant here, or somewhat abundant, I guess, is a groundwater brackish water supply. It's been unusable in the past due to the salinity of that water. By using reverse osmosis, we can sweeten that water, get it to the point where it can be used long-term as an irrigation source without damaging the crops. One of the things that most reverse osmosis systems are hampered by is that the machine itself is designed around a particular water. So you can optimize the machine for a specific water recipe, if you will. But with the CCD RO, and this is something that's frequently understated, is the flexibility of being able to optimize the machine for the water that you've got. If water conditions change, you can independently control all of the main operating parameters of the RO so that you constantly can optimize for those conditions. A reverse osmosis is essentially a filtration method, but it's a filtration through a very small pore size in a membrane. Most filtration, you think of removing suspended solids. When you get to reverse osmosis, you're actually removing dissolved solids. So the salts that are dissolved in the water are able to be filtered out through the membranes. It's essentially a relatively simple process in that you pump the water through this semi-permeable membrane, overcoming the osmotic pressure and thus force the water through the membrane, leaving the salts behind. You end up with a brine solution and a pure water solution. Yes, one of the things that Desalitech decided to do was to go to market through channel partners. So we're looking for partners like the Fabry Ag group here through their pure water solutions to bring our technology to various markets. With Fabry Farms being involved in the agricultural market in Central Valley for several years, generations, they were the perfect partner to bring our technology to the agricultural market in Central Valley.